Welcome to the first part of our JavaScript series. This is where we begin to unlock the power of JavaScript and learn how to build interactive websites. Over the next few weeks, we'll cover everything from basic syntax to more advanced concepts like functions, loops, and error handling. As we go through each module, I will guide you step by step through different JavaScript concepts, giving you examples and exercises to ensure you really understand the material. Let us take a look at modules we will cover in this course. Introduction to JavaScript and computer programming will help you understand the fundamentals of JavaScript. Later, we will explore more advanced topics like data types, variables, operators, user interactions, control flow, conditional execution loops, functions. Each module is designed to gradually build your skills, so don't worry if something seems difficult at first, just stick with it and practice. So, after completing the fundamentals of programming concepts such as interpreting and the others, you will understand client-side versus server-side. In general, JavaScript is one of the core languages of web development, along with HTML and CSS. It allows you to create dynamic interactive websites without JavaScript. Web pages would not be static and non-interactive. JavaScript is used to manipulate web pages and respond to user interactions like clicks, mouse movements, and keyboard input. If you have ever seen a form update without refreshing the web page, that is JavaScript at work. We will start by understanding how to set up environment and how to write your first JavaScript code. JavaScript is for career growth. Learning JavaScript enables you to read, understand, and write applications and programs. These skills can enhance your current work or open up new career opportunities in the growing IT market. How do we communicate with computers? Well, while humans communicate using natural languages, computers speak their own language. Actually, we are surrounded by computers, phones, TVs, home appliances, and more. Programming languages like JavaScript allows us to give clear instructions to computers, telling them what to do. Think of as it giving detailed step-by-step instructions, just like assembling furniture or following a recipe. Why we use programming languages? Programming languages exist because computers are great at processing tasks quickly and accurately, but they need precise instructions. A programming language like JavaScript helps us communicate these instructions clearly to the computer. Unlike machine language, which is unreadable for humans, programming languages allow us to write readable and understandable code. Thousands of languages exist, but different in purpose, abstraction, level, ease of use, and efficiency. JavaScript is an interpreted language. What does it mean? Well, JavaScript is executed line by line by the browser's engine. Unlike compiled languages where the code is translated before execution, JavaScript code is processed as the browser needs it. This is what makes JavaScript so quick to test and debug. You can write code in your text editor and immediately see the results in the browser. So, modern JavaScript engine uses a just-in-time compilation to improve performance. It still feels like direct interpretation. Regardless of the method, the key is that code executes step by step from the source. Writing effective programs. The hardest part of programming is defining the problem clearly. And a program must be provide 100% clear and precise solution. because computers can't guess. Think of assembling furniture. Precise step-by-step instructions are vital to success. A good programming, clear understanding, plus exact instructions to achieve the goal. JavaScript is a high-level interpret language, easy to understand and hardware independent. In the early 1990s, web pages were static. In 1995, Braden H. created a JavaScript originally called LiveScript for Netscape Navigator, client-side versus server-side. JavaScript is used both in the client-side and server-side client. That means JavaScript runs in the user's web browser, creating dynamic and interactive content on websites. JavaScript runs in the browser, adding the interactivity and dynamic content to web pages. Websites used by 90% of web pages today. Framework tools like React, Angular help build large complex web apps across web pages. PCs to smartphones. Beyond the browser, JavaScript now powers server-side backend apps via Node.js, handling data and logic on servers. JavaScript has a versatile use used in mobile apps, even in drone programming, showing JavaScript's huge flexibility. JavaScript is not limited to just the browser. With the introduction of Node.js, we can now use JavaScript on the server side to handle data and logic. This makes JavaScript incredibly versatile. Disadvantages of JavaScript. As much as we love JavaScript, it is important to know its limitations. JavaScript is now mature and stable, with a major update since 2015 to modernize the language, but it is not still perfect. For example, JavaScript is not ideal for tasks that require extremely high performance like advanced mathematical computations. Additionally, JavaScript is often used in the browser, which means your code is visible to anyone who inspects the page. While you can authenticate your code, it is never 100% secure. So JavaScript is not ideal for all tasks, especially high performance computing and advanced math-savvy applications. Still, browser sandbox limits access to local files resources for security purposes. While the code runs as written, anyone can view your code and copy and paste it easily. Obfuscation helps to hide code, example, renaming variables, but is not foolproof. JavaScript is powerful but has early limits, especially on the client side. Advantages of JavaScript. Now let us look at some of the key advantages of JavaScript. First, it has a huge active community. This means that no matter what issue you run into, there are tons of resources and people ready to help. JavaScript is flexible. What you learn today can help you work with other languages. Plus, it is used by major companies like Google, Facebook, Mozilla, which makes it a valuable skill to have. No need for expensive tools. Browsers have a great built-in tools. And for backend, major companies, Google, Facebook, etc. use JavaScript. JavaScript is dynamically typed, meaning that variables can store different types of data over time. While this flexibility is powerful, it can sometimes lead to bugs or mistakes in larger applications. TypeScript is a poor set of JavaScript. Adds static typing, which helps catch errors either in the development process, but you don't need to worry about TypeScript right now. That is all for today's session. You have done a great job getting started with JavaScript. Make sure to read what we covered and prepare for the next session, setting up programming environment. Feel free to have any questions in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.